So, as it's Positivity Week, it's time to do some readings that are hopefully a little bit amusing. And I've been recommended Douglas Adams's The Restaurant at the End of the Universe, which I've never read, but I have read The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, which was extraordinary. Here is the start of Douglas Adams's The Restaurant at the End of the Universe. In the beginning, the universe was created. This had made a lot of people very angry and been widely regarded as a bad move. Many races believed that it was created by some sort of god, though the Jatrevid people of Vilvodel 6 believed that the entire universe was in fact sneezed out of the nose of a being called the Great Green Arkelseizure. The Jatrevids, who live in perpetual fear of the time they call the coming of the Great White Handkerchief, are small blue creatures with more than 50 arms each, were therefore unique in being the only race in history to have invented the aerosol deodorant before the wheel. However, the Great Green Arkelseizure theory is not widely accepted outside Vilvodel 6, and so, the universe being the puzzling place it is, other explanations are constantly being sought. For instance, a race of hyper-intelligent, pan-dimensional beings once built themselves a gigantic supercomputer called Deep Thought to calculate once and for all the answer to the ultimate question of life, the universe, and everything. For 7.5 million years, Deep Thought computed and calculated, and in the end announced that the answer was in fact 42. And so another, even bigger computer had to be built to find out what the actual question was. And this computer, which was called the Earth, was so large that it was frequently mistaken for a planet, especially by the strange ape-like beings who roamed its surface, totally unaware that they were simply part of a gigantic computer program. And this is very odd because without that fairly simple and obvious piece of knowledge, nothing that ever happened on the Earth could possibly make the slightest bit of sense.